Today we will begin with the last day's problem. Some of the students asked some doubts about this problem. The second one, Fe bar Fe2 plus 0.001 molar, double bar H plus 1 molar H2 bar Pt. It is hydrogen electrode. 1 bar pressure, 1 molar concentration. So standard hydrogen electrode. So here concentration of Fe2 plus 0.001 molar, H plus 1 molar. Now we can see the solution, how we can solve this problem. Here you see the cell reaction. Cell reaction Fe plus 2H plus gives Fe2 plus H2. Now you write the next equation. What is next equation? E cell is equal to E0 of H plus bar H2 bar Pt minus E0 of Fe2 plus bar Fe. Electrode potential of hydrogen is 0. Standard hydroelectrode. Fe2 plus bar Fe. Standard electrode potential is minus 0.44. Therefore, hydrogen will be the cathode. Therefore, this equation. E cathode minus E anode. Minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of Fe2 plus by concentration of H plus square. While solving this problem, many of you forget to write this square here. Now substitute the values. E cell is equal to 0 minus 0.44 minus 0.059 by 2. Temperature is 298 Kelvin. Log 0.001 by 1 square. That is equal to 0.44 minus 0.08865. So it will be positive, equal to 0.529 volt. I think now it is clear. Now we can go to the next topic, that is equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. At equilibrium, E cell is equal to 0. Electrode potential is equal to 0. If electrode potential is equal to 0, we can say E cathode is equal to anode. Then only E cathode minus E anode will become 0. E cathode minus E anode. Then the next equation can be written as E0 cell is equal to 2.303 RT divided by NF log concentration of product divided by concentration of reactants. And the concentration terms are raised to the power equal to the stoichiometric coefficients in the balanced equation. So the last part, concentration of product of concentration of product divided by product of concentration of reactants, in which the concentration terms are raised to the power equal to stoichiometric coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. That is the definition of equilibrium constant Kc. So we can write the equation E cell, that is 0. 0 is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Or E0 cell is equal to 2.303. E0 cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Kc is the equilibrium constant. So this equation is an important equation. You have to remember it. Based on this equation, you can expect numerical problems. We can see one example here. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the reactions U plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives U2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid. E0 cell is given 0.46 volt. So here the equation E0 cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Now substitute the values. E0 cell is 0.46 equal to 0.0591. Temperature is not given, so we can take 298 Kelvin as the temperature. Then the equation will become 0.0591 divided by N. N is equal to 2, 2 electrons are involved, 2 moles of electrons are involved here. Log Kc. So log Kc is equal to 15.5668, or Kc is equal to anti-log of 15.5668. That is equal to 3.688 into 10 raised to 15. Now the relationship between delta G and electrode potential, E cell, delta G and E cell. Here, you know, electric work that is equal to electrical potential multiplied by total charge. Electrical potential multiplied by total charge. What is electrical potential? E cell can be taken as the electrical potential. Total charge, number of moles of electrons into Faraday, NF. That is the total charge. If the EMF of the cell is E and NF is the amount of charge passed, then delta G is the Gibbs energy of the reaction. Then delta G is equal to minus NF E cell, or delta G0, standard free energy change, is equal to minus NF E0 cell. This one also a very useful equation, and you have to remember it. Delta G0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell. Now, by combining the equation for equilibrium constant and that means the relationship between E0 cell and equilibrium constant, and the relationship between delta G0 and E0 cell, we can derive a new equation which relates delta G0 and equilibrium constant Kc. E0 cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Multiply two sides with the minus NF. Minus NF E0 cell is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc, or we can write minus NF E0 cell is equal to delta G0, that is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. This is another important equation. Delta G0 is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Based on this, we can solve many problems. Here you can see some problems. Calculate potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. So here what we have to do, pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So here what is hydrogen ion concentration? 10 raised to minus 10. So we can solve this problem. Concentration of H plus is equal to 10 raised to minus 10. Now you write the electrode reaction. H plus electron is equal to half H2. Now write next equation. E is equal to E0 minus E of electrode is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 divided by N log 1 by H plus. Here N is equal to 1. 1 mole of electrons are involved. You can see it from this equation. 1 mole of electron involved. Here, only 1 mole. Now substitute the values. E0 you know 0. And N is equal to 1. Log 1 by 10 raised to minus 10. 0 minus 0.0591 by 1 into 10. That is equal to minus 0.591. Now what is the second question? Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reactions takes place. Ni plus 2Ag plus concentration 0.002 molar gives Ni2 plus concentration 0.160 molar plus 2Ag. Here E0 cell is given, that is 1.05. Since cell reaction is given directly, you write next equation first. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of Ni2 plus divided by concentration of Ag plus square. Simply substitute the values. 1.05 minus The temperature is not given, so we can take it as 298 Kelvin. So 0.0591 divided by number of moles, 2 moles, divided by 2, divided by 2 log concentration of Ni2 plus 0.160 divided by concentration of Ag plus square, that is 0.002 square. To calculate it, and the value will be 0.91 volt. Calculate and find it out. And the last question, the cell in which the following reactions occurs: 2Fe3 plus 2I minus gives 2Fe2 plus I2 has E0 cell is equal to 0.236 volt at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy and the equilibrium constant of the cell reaction. Here number of moles of electrons involved, you can see 2 electrons, isn't it? So N is equal to 2. E0 cell is directly given. Here what you have to calculate? Delta G0 and Kc. You have to calculate delta G0 and Kc. What is the equation to calculate delta G0? Delta G0 is equal to minus N of E0 cell. Substitute the value of E0. 0.236. N already we mentioned 2. F 96,500. If you substitute, we will get the value of delta G0. After getting delta G0, can calculate Kc using the equation delta G0 is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. I'll substitute the values and find out the answers. And these 4 problems, these 3 and previous one, are assignments for you. Solve it and upload. So we can stop today's class here. Thank you.